Hello guys! Today I just found Smatree has released a new version of the SP90 Mark II. This one has only USB, one big one to charge the remote controller or cell phone, and a small one to charge the battery bank itself. Now they have come with an improved version with an own power supply, 4 amps. And the only difference you can see, it's a small hole here. Let's take a look at their website, shall we? Okay guys, here we can see the Amazon. You can see on top here, Amazon homepage where you can buy it. Here they have updated the pictures and everything. And you can see here, it has a new DC inlet. It still has the old USB, micro USB, but this is the new one. And if you take a closer look to the next picture, this is the same, 92 watt hours like before, up to 6 batteries. Here you also can see the new DC input, same DC input, and all this protection, short circuit, overcurrent, overheat at least, important, overcharge and over voltage protection. This is the real deal. You have got a new 4 amps power supply, 8.7 watt 4 amp quick charger. And now you can reduce it to 2.5–4 hour recharging time. Before it was 15 to 20 hours, at least that is my experience. Yeah. Also, if you see on the Smatree Facebook page, up here you can see the address. And if you go scroll down, here you have it. New Smatree charger. Fully charging 3 batteries about 40 to 50 minutes, same as before. 5 to 6 batteries, same as before. And here is the important thing. 8.7 watt 4 amps quick charger. This box is the real deal here. Fully charged power station in about 2.5–4 hours. This is really good news. I'm really happy with my charger, but I really would like to have a quicker one, so I will probably upgrade to this one. And here also on the Smatree's homepage, here we have the old one, somehow not updated. I can't see the price or anything on this page, but it's the same pictures except you're missing this DC input. So with this upgrade, all the protection, thermal protection, overcurrent, over voltage, everything, and the new DC input 4 amps fast charger, this will be an even more excellent product. I think it was excellent before, but now it's even more excellent. So Smatree, again, applaud to you. I think you have done it. Hit what they call it, jackpot. So thanks.